Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Miata. First, let's start with the basic outline. Draw a long, slightly curved rectangle for the main body, then add a smaller, rounded rectangle on top for the cabin. Think of it as two simple boxes connected. These initial shapes will guide our entire drawing process, ensuring correct proportions from the very beginning. Keep your lines light so they are easy to erase later. Now, let's refine the car's proportions. The wheelbase should be about 2/3 of the total body length. Draw 4 circles for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced and sized. Next, sketch the windshield and side windows, following the curve of the cabin. Pay attention to how these elements interact with the main body shape. This step is crucial for giving your Miata a realistic stance. With the basic structure in place, it's time to add some key details. Outline the distinctive round headlights and the taillights at the rear. Sketch the front grille and bumper, paying attention to their unique Miata shape. Don't forget the door lines and side mirrors, which add depth and realism. Take your time with these smaller elements. They truly bring the drawing to life. For the final touches, carefully go over all your lines, making them darker and more defined. Erase any remaining light construction lines. Now, add some shading to give your Miata depth and a three-dimensional look. Consider where light would hit the car and where shadows would fall. This step truly makes your drawing pop. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.